Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. It's Kaylan Alex. If you're new here, welcome. Go ahead and subscribe. And if you're returning, thank you so much for tuning in. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys the items that I received from Christmas, and I'm so excited about them. I'm so excited they're in my collection. Finally, these are wish list checkups for sure. And I'm just like shocked and excited that I actually got them. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and jump into the reveal, I guess. So the first thing that we will open is from Cartier. Oh my god, y'all, I love a red box. Like red, green, yeah, red and green are my favorite two bags and boxes to open. So let's just go ahead and get into it. So the first thing that I'm seeing here is this. So you know this, you can kind of guess what it might be. And then we have the box. This was just so exciting. Like, I love this. So the first item that I got was this beautiful necklace. This is the, I think it's the diamond diamond necklace. It is so cute. I actually have had this as well as the bracelet on my wish list. I just love how cute and dainty they are. They're literally my faves. I'm gonna try to put this on with what I have on so you guys can get an idea of how it looks. This is just what it looks like on. It is a cute little dainty diamond piece. You guys know I like to stack my accessories, so I feel like this would be perfect for stacking. Or if I'm going for an evening look and just want something like simple around my neck, not too much that draws too much attention, I feel like this is just perfect for it. It just fits so perfect into my collection, and like I said, I'm very excited about having it. I do think I want to add an extender onto it just to make it a little bit longer for the pieces that I will be layering with it, so it can come like right here. Instead of being sitting kind of high on my neck, I would prefer it to come just a little bit lower. I'm pretty certain my essay at Cartier said that that could easily be done, so I'm gonna have them do that. And then the next piece is gonna be my bracelet, and we'll have like a little matching set. But I'm so in love with it, and I think it's just so perfect. The next accessory that we got is from VCA. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. These are some of my favorite boxes. So I got this inside of it. The vintage mother of pearl Alambra necklace, y'all. I love her. So if you guys know, well, you probably see all the time, I already have the sweet Alambra mother of pearl bracelet that I wear literally every day. I wanted to get the necklace and then the earrings to like have a matching set. So now I'm only missing the earrings. Now I want the 5 motif bracelet, of course, like that's gonna be my next one, but I want it in a different finish, so we'll get to that in a second. Let me just try this on for you guys so you can see what it looks like. So this is what the necklace looks like on. Super dainty, super cute. I'm in love. It's just so gorgeous and simple, elegant. Like, it's my vibe. So this is another piece that I probably, honestly, I wouldn't really stack it. If I did, it would probably be only with my tennis necklace that I have on, and depending on what I'm wearing, I may not stack it because I feel like it's just a statement on its own. Like, it doesn't need anything else. And then the size of the motif is kind of like, it speaks for itself. It really doesn't need a sister, you know what I mean? So I'm probably, whenever I wear it, just gonna wear it on its own as I usually do. But yeah, so I'm only missing the earrings. I do want a 5 motif bracelet, but I want it in another finish. You guys know I've talked about wanting the malachite one. I know it's super delicate, but honestly, I really want it. It's my husband's favorite, so I'm trying to get him to like make it my favorite and put it in my collection. So I mean, the verdict is still out on that one. We'll see. But if I don't get my hands on that one, then for sure I think it's the Cornelia, which is the ruby one for Kari, because her birthstone, and pearl is mine, so I already have that. And I don't want another pearl bracelet. Maybe somewhere down the line, after I have like 2, then I'll get a mother of pearl 5 motif one. But for right now, I'm good with the mother of pearl. That's just me though. So I know that the mother of pearl can be a little delicate because of the shininess of it and just the finish of it. It's recommended not to wear it in water because it will dull and just not look as fresh and renewed. However, I have been wearing my bracelet for about a year, and honestly, I feel like it looks the same. Now, it could be because I'm so used to looking at it that I don't notice the difference. But even when I compare them side by side, I still see the shininess. So of course, I'm not gonna be naive into thinking that it's still the same exact shininess that it was when I first got it and first opened it. It's not, but it's not dull to the point where it just looks dry and drab like, what is that on your wrist? It still looks very nice. It still has a sheen to it. I haven't noticed the stone being damaged or ruined in any way or capacity. Now, this is just what I've noticed. Of course, it is the sweet. It's smaller. It's a little less high maintenance in my opinion than the 5 motif one. But yeah, I've been wearing it daily, showering in it and washing my hands and things like that, so I haven't noticed any issues of it snagging or getting caught on anything, which I was concerned about because of the width of the chain on it. It is kind of, you know, on the thinner side, so I was concerned about wearing something like that every day and how will it, you know, just react. I haven't had any issues. I've even worn it with my watch on the same wrist and nothing. So that's just my opinion. That's just what I've noticed with mine. So I thought I'd put that out there because I was very leery of wearing it every day because of reviews that I've seen. And a few associates have said that, but my associate said that it was okay to wear daily. So that's neither here nor there. We're talking about the necklace. I'm probably not gonna shower in it because pieces like this I wouldn't wear every day just because of, I don't know, to me they're special moment pieces or pieces that I put on with outfits every day. So I probably would not make this an everyday piece, but would not be opposed to if I had it on and got in the shower. So there's that. With this one, I'm thinking about getting a extender put on it as well because I feel like it just sits a little too high on my neck for me. Like, it looks nice, but sometimes I feel like it just doesn't lay effortlly. Like, I feel like it needs to be a little bit looser. SA just happened to give me this. I don't really think that they are supposed to, but I prefer to travel with my necklaces straight. This is actually a bracelet carry case, a travel case, but I was like, I prefer to keep my necklaces straight. And he was like, okay, I don't mind, you know, giving you that, which I love him for that. And then this is just me speaking into existence that bracelet, child. I'm getting that bracelet soon, so this is me manifesting it. So the item that we're gonna chat about is from Balenciaga, child. Y'all probably can already guess what this is. I had mentioned this in a recent video. I think it was the handbags video, and I was like not really expecting to get this because I didn't think it would be available, but it was available, and I was like, you know what, we gotta have it, so let me go ahead and get that. So I texted my SA and I was like, hey, do you have this in the store? Just trying to see if maybe he did, and he was like, yes. And I came in and I was like, you know what, let's get it. So I got the small hourglass in the camel color. When I tell y'all I am in love with this bag, so I have cheated and I did wear it once. I've already worn it. So I have worn it once, and when I tell y'all, it was the easiest bag to wear. Like, it felt so good on my arm. Like, it just felt like it made sense. And I don't really know why I gave this bag such a hard time. Well, I didn't give it such a hard time. I just didn't know if I would be that interested in it to actually want to buy it. But it was something about this color that just made me really want it, as I've mentioned before. And I love it. Like, I love this bag. I feel like it's the perfect size, the perfect color, because y'all know I've been obsessing with this color. And I love that it has the, of course, the longer strap to go with it. And it just all comes together so beautifully. So now what I was concerned about, of course, and there's just like leather inside. What I was concerned about was this, the arch here and the amount of space that would be in the inside. But honestly, when I look in this bag and I put my things in it, that arch kind of like it's a bit irrelevant, because I still feel like you get a lot of room on the inside and it's not as arched on the inside. So it's more of a smooth design, like a straight design on the inside, and it fits pretty much everything. Like, I fit my card holder, my phone, my key holder, a full wallet could fit in here. And let's see, a pouch. I've carried my little toiletry pouch, not this big one, but my T15 Louis Vuitton toiletry 15 one. It fits, and I still have room. Like, it's not packed to capacity. So I really love that. It also has this little pocket here in the back that is just like a quick access pocket. Like, I'll just slide my phone in there, or like a card or something random if I'm, you know, in and out of it. Y'all, I can't say enough good things about this bag. Now, it's not something that I'm just gonna like develop a collection of at this point in my life. I don't see myself doing that, but one is okay. One is okay in my book. I did try on the Neo Classic in the small and hated it. Like, when I saw that bag in person, I was like, no. I would much rather have the Hourglass bag, and not that one. It was not as structured as I thought. It was more structured than before, but just not as much as I would have liked. And it just wasn't giving me the vibes. Like, it just did not seem like that bag for me. So I'm gonna pass on that one. Maybe somewhere down the line my feelings about it would change, but as of now, no. This one is it. This one was perfect for me. And if you're considering it, I would recommend it. If you're not, I'd say to give it a chance, because you may be like me and change your mind. Okay, now the last item was actually a me-to-me gift. And it did not work, y'all. And I'm kind of disappointed about it, but I wanted to share with you guys. So if you're considering it or you're thinking about it, you would have my thoughts on it and what to look out for. So it is this huge box from Alexandre Vauthier. I have been wanting these boots for a very long time, and I finally was like, you know what, let me just go ahead and try it, see if they're gonna work. Let's just see. Child, beautiful shoe, did not work. I got this beautiful patent PVC blue shoe. When I tell you, when I opened the box, I was immediately like excited, like, oh my God, look at this. And then I went to try it on, child. There is no stretching here. There's no giving here. Obviously, because it's PVC, so it doesn't really relax, especially upon, you know, trying it on. Now, I would imagine, given what I know about PVC, as you wear it, it does loosen up. However, I don't know that that's going to be possible with the issue that I've had with this shoe. So the boot zips up until right here for me. And it does not go any further. I have tried to like reposition my foot in the shoe, tried to like shift my leg in the shoe. It does not work. It comes here and it does not zip any further. Now, I would imagine that maybe, like I said, over time the material would loosen and give, but for that, I don't know that that is possible, because I can't even get it up. Like, it's not even tight to where I can zip it and then it'll, you know, loosen up. I can't get it up. I can't loosen it. Now, I'm not sure if it's the same, you know, situation for the metallic versions of the shoe, but definitely for this one it did not work. And I was so excited because I felt like there was a blue that could work in my wardrobe and in my closet. I loved the color blue as well as the PVC. I just feel like it made a little bit more sense. It was a little bit more wearable for me versus the metallic ones. But I don't know, maybe I'll try the metallic ones just to see if they have the same, you know, fit and style, because they're different materials. But for sure this PVC styling did not work, and I was pretty disappointed about it. I am a European 39, which is what I get all of my European shoes in. This was no different. The shoe fits like a glove, so I would say if you're considering it and this is not a problem for you, it's true to size, true to European sizing. But yeah, so unfortunately I will have to send this baby back, and maybe I'll try the metallic ones and we'll see if we have a better go with that one. But yeah, there's that. So guys, that is going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you all had a happy holidays. We are wrapping up this year and on to the new year. It's so crazy because it has literally flown by. But that's going to be it for this video. Don't forget to drop a nice comment, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you get a notification when I post again, and I will see you in the next video.